Hello, this is Leigh Hollins with Cedar Hammock Fire Rescue in Manatee County. We're doing various training minute videos on realistic training props, and I would just like to bring to your attention that these particular scenarios we're doing are not instructional scenarios. This is not for instructional purposes. It's to show how you can use these various props is what it's all about. So we try to be realistic, but we have some brand new recruits that we're using for this particular segment, and we have some experienced people also, and we have some experienced officers, but we don't want anyone to try to pick apart the actual tactics that are used. It is just to show how these props can be used in various ways, okay? So we just wanted to bring that to your attention. Thank you. Hello, this is Battalion Chief Leigh Hollins with Cedar Hammock Fire Rescue in Manatee County, Florida. We are filming a segment for Training Minute videos on realistic training props. This particular prop is an underground gas line prop. Some areas of the country, firefighters do not deal with underground gas lines. They would simply arrive at the scene, establish zones until the gas company arrived. In our area of the country, we have a great relationship with the gas company. We have the proper tools, the proper training, so we do mitigate these emergencies if it is within our scope of training and equipment. This particular mock-up is very realistic in that you have everything identical to the real situation, except instead of having natural gas coming out of the pipe, you have harmless air from a commercial compressor. That compressor is piped to a manifold which can be operated by the instructor and sent to 3/4 inch underground pipe, 2-inch underground pipe, or a 4-inch underground pipe. With that situation, the firefighters will come in, they will establish zones, they will determine what their hazard is, they will determine whether they can mitigate the situation. If it is determined that they have the equipment and training to do so, they will go ahead and either sleeve or clamp the underground gas pipe to stop the flow of gas to make the scene safe. At that time, the gas company will come in and finish off whatever they needed to do to make this a permanent fix to these underground gas pipes. We'll see how realistic it is for the responders. They're going to go ahead and respond in. They're going to be faced with an underground gas leak. They're going to have to size up the situation. They're going to have to establish zones, and they will go ahead and mitigate this problem if it is within their scope of training and equipment. If not, they would simply provide the hot zone, they would evacuate personnel from the area, and they'd wait for the gas company. So let's go ahead and run an evolution and see how it goes. That's all right. This is Leigh Hollins. Thanks for watching Fire Engineering's Training Minute videos.